welcome back to my channel, Ethereal Orb. If you are on my Facebook page, you noticed I changed the name to, what did I change it to? We Pour Art, because I want it to be more of an inclusive page, not really just my page. So if you're not on that page, come and join us there. I also have a Facebook group if you want to join that. I'll have all that in the description bar for anybody interested. So anyway, I'm working with phthalo blue today, and if phthalo blue were an infectious disease, we would all be dead because it spreads like crazy. So I have it all over me. But anyway, I didn't think y'all wanted to watch me paint or pour paint one color spread it on a canvas. So I went ahead and did that before I hit record. So I just have my regular mix of Floetrol, water, and paint. If you need to know how to do that, I will have a link to that in the description bar as well. And I also have some green, some metallic green. This is a teal blue. This is really pretty. This is from the Arteza outdoor paint kit, and this is Persian green. I'll have links to this as well in the description bar. And my favorite pink, this is Basics Quinacridone Magenta. Love this dark pink. And then I mixed up some white with some silver, so it's kind of a silvery white. And I'm going to add a little water to this because I think it's just a hair bit thick. Whoop, and I dropped a drip of water on my painting. That's okay. My kids are up. I usually do this at night when they're asleep, but I'm kind of sick of going to bed late to paint. So if it turns to music all of a sudden, it's just because my kids got noisy. So anyway, I'm going to string pull. I just have a bunch of these. Whoa, I have a bunch of these cut up already. I'm ready to go. So on my phthalo, which is nice and thick and still wet, I'm going to pour a line of this green. I really like this green, so I'm going to do a decent amount of that. Some of this teal color. That green is from the Arteza metallic line. And I'm just going to pour all of them on one line. I don't want quite as much of this, I don't think. I want a minimal amount of the silver because I'm not sure. I don't know. Just kind of where my head is going with this. And I really don't want a ton of pink because just like the phthalo, this quinacridone can just like take over. They're both drama queens. And they like their time in the spotlight. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just dance my string through. So I'm going to be kind of careful about where it's touching the paint. There we go. And I'm going to just kind of dance this through the, oh gosh, that's pretty. I love this phthalo blue. Okay. Ooh, I like that. Okay. And then with this one, I want a longer string. I am going to, I think I'm going to go this way. It's harder to do going away from me, I think. I'm going to manage it though. I think I'll just pull this one. Oh, I like that. Okay, so I'd kind of like some wispies. I think what I'm going to do is just kind of pull it very carefully. You do have a certain amount of control with the string. I say certain amount because it's fluid art. You don't have a ton of control no matter what you do. But there's a certain amount of control. You know, you can take the paint where you want it to go. Like I said, to a certain extent, it's going to do what it wants. Okay, I'm going to let's see, I'm going to play just a little bit. I'm going to add some pink right in here. Because it really took a back seat, which is fine. That's what I wanted, but I'd like a little bit more. Okay, and then I'm just going to draw this down here because I don't like this empty spot. I kind of like the top to be kind of negative space and a little bit on the bottom. I'm not digging it right here. But I think I do want to keep it a little bit less busy. Whoa, there goes my string. Okay, just one more thing, because I do want to bring a little bit more down here. I'm going to pour some of this green. I like this green, and it's kind of disappeared a little bit too. And a little bit of pink. Oh, my little 3-year-old just got up. I don't know if you heard that. Good morning, Cooper. It's actually middle of the afternoon, but I guess getting up from a nap qualifies as a good morning. Okay, so let me find a clean string. I'm just going to pull this down and through that right there. And then I'm gonna go like this here. There we go. Okay. I'm at a spot where I am happy, so I am going to call it a day. But I will do some close-ups real quick without getting phthalo all over my phone. Okay. Go. I am focus. There we go. You can see that really pretty right there. Can I pull up the shimmer of that silver? My phone does not like to focus up close. You can sort of see it. Okay, there you go, painting with yarn. One of my favorite things to do now.